Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day. Well. Blessed love, guys. Blessed love. Welcome to another keynote live in Jamaica. You know, guys, we thank you so much for the love and the kind support. You know, we thank you for everything that's positive. You know, we keep it moving on our journey. You know, so we are on a journey. So let's move from one destination until the next. So let's keep it moving. We keep evolving and we keep staying positive, because that's the way to life. You know, live good, positive, and you have positive outcome. You know, so trust me. So it is what it is, guys. It is what it is. So today we're gonna take the kids them Cranberry, you know, and their sisters, you know, and see if we can get liquor mine and liquor miss as well to go to Devon's, you know, in courtesy of Don, you know, that asked me to take the kids them to Devon's to get some more ice cream. You know, so as you could see, you know, in the video, that place looked cloudy. You know, up that direction is where we're gonna head to. You know, but first I have to go Trenchtown to pick up Esther. You know, and I'm not sure if Boom finish off from work as yet to, but if not, you know, pick up Esther and then we head towards Devon's to get the kids them some ice cream. You know, because they've been on my case about ice cream, so you know. So yeah, so that's their day today, the kids treat. You know, and as you can see, we done the KFC for them, you know, from the Kiwanis, you know, from East Pines, Miramar. You know, we thank them so much. And as you can see, guys, so apparently the reason why you haven't seen Liquor Man and Liquor Miss for the last couple of videos when I went up there is because Liquor Man and Liquor Miss, whenever them leave Cranberry house, yeah, they leave there in the night just to go like a block or two away to them home. You know, so I guess them parents tell them, say, please don't come up to the house in the night, you know, come before it becomes nighttime. So they done it, and their parents banned them from leaving to come out of the house because they're not listening to come home early on time. Right, so they never come home early on time when them leaving from Cranberry. So you know, so I guess Liquor Man and Liquor Miss, you know, they got strict parents up there, so they put a ban on them. You know, so hopefully we can get them today. So I have to go speak to the parents, you know, or get Kenisha to speak to them so we can get them to come out, you know, today, you know, to bring them to go and get ice cream. So that's the reason why you haven't seen them, because them parents tell them not coming out the house because they don't listen. Them here not to come home, yes, late, you know, at night, you know. So I guess them leave Cranberry too late and went home. So the parents put a ban on them, you know. So that's why sometimes you have to just put some restriction on the kids then, because trust me, licks don't work at times. But when you punish them, when you take certain fun away from them, but they know they're gonna need that fun, trust me, they will listen more. You know, because sometimes when you lick them, the licks just wear off and it goes back to normal. But when I tell a kid, say, yo, listen, don't come out the house, yeah, and them look outside and see kids are playing and want to go outside and can't go, see football are play and can't play it, you know, that kind of make more sense sometimes, you know, grounded them, you know. So that's what need to happen. So yeah, so we give thanks to Dan. You know, Dan, we thank you for treating the kids them for this ice cream today. You know, so I'm just gonna stop at Living Foods, you know, to pick up on spirulina smoothie, you know, and black beans burger, and then head down to Trenchtown to pick up Esther. So that's where I'm headed now. I'm headed into Arthur Tree side here to go get myself one of those black beans burger with the turmeric bun and spirulina smoothie, and then pick up Esther and then head on the way. But there's a little bit of traffic now heading up towards the lights and Agda Park Road, but yeah, everything will make on time. But trust me, towards Cranberry direction there is so much. Well, rain was literally falling, you know, this morning, so I guess we'll get some rain across the island. So yes guys, remember please to give the video a thumbs up, you know, whenever you're watching, you know, please. And if you're one of them that haven't subscribed and you're always watching and you know you don't subscribe, it don't takes you anything to subscribe, you know, because it's 41% of people that's watching. You know yourself, you that's watching and you haven't subscribed. So we appreciate the view same way, but you can subscribe, you know, you can subscribe and you can hit the notification bell, you know, and then you select all in the option so you won't miss any notification, right? So you know yourself. So we have 41% guys of people that's watching and haven't subscribed, but we thank them so much for watching. Even though you haven't subscribed, but we thank you so much for watching. Gratitude is a must because you're watching, you know. Big up to the next 59% that subscribe already and watching, you know. We thank you so much for doing so. So the 41% that haven't subscribed, you know, just click the bell. You're not gonna lose your sleep, you're not gonna lose your sanity, you know. Show some love and support, you know. So we give thanks guys. So let's stay tuned on this journey. Blessed love. Hello. I'm good. I was calling your phone.
My phone left at home this morning. Yes,
I put in an order quick and fast. I'm gonna pick up and go. Let me get the
So you know what the number for here, Kilo? The market Kilo, the number for here. I guess it's calling my personal.
Yeah.
Sorry about that. Check it so you have all.
No.
The regular Kilo?
Yeah, please.
I have one next to
Go on. Can I get the avocado?
No.
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna have it to go. This guys, I'm here at Living Foods. Yeah, so what I'm gonna have, as I told you, I'm gonna have a black beans burger. A black beans burger with my Pro-Jizer, which is a smoothie, spirulina smoothie called Pro-Jizer, which is supposed to call the Kino smoothie. And it's been a while I've been passed through up here, you know, so get on pass through, get this to go, get this meal to go, eat it on my way down, because you know in Jamaica you could try to do whatever quick and fast because time move and not all the time the traffic takes up a lot of your time, because Jamaica full of so much traffic, so we have to always get things done quick and fast so we can just be on the go, because traffic will take a lot of your time here in Jamaica, you know, because there's so many vehicles here now in Jamaica, like, trust me, everybody can afford a vehicle. Like one time when you have one person or two person on your street or in your little lane have a one car right now. Each house have a car. Yeah, any street you live on or any lane, anywhere, each house have a car these days. Trust me. The Jamaica overpopulated right now with come out the cars. So we'll give thanks to the people there and everyone keep on evolving, you know. They keep on evolving. So let's wait on the food. I know what.
This way.
Kerry, how is everything?
Yeah, man. A long time I see you, know?
That's true.
Long time.
I've been away, I've been busy, been up and down,
You
you
look
know.
like you'll go married off.
No man, the finger's still empty, see me. Still empty, you know what
Yeah.
I feel.
You want to take care of yourself a little bit more, that's true.
You see, it has shows me I take care of myself a little bit more.
Yeah.
A glow.
I glue. Then not only to give me the thing there, I jump out of it, stable, the thing there.
Yeah, that guys,
Properly.
I'm glowing.
Of course,
She said I'm
I glow.
glowing. So it's good. It's good.
Of course, it's always good to glow.
Yes. Yeah, I've been more into it, taking myself more, you know, more and more every
More
day.
serious, you know. So have you done our flush? You ever tried one of our flush before?
No, not the
Woman,
flush.
you need to try the flush, man. One day we try the flush, right, Miss Steve? Yeah. One day we'll let Peanut try the flush. It's no joke.
But like it's a detox, right?
It's a detox.
I'm just had a colon cleanse as well too. Yeah, about a couple of years ago. I had a colon cleanse. So I'm still want to do the flush
Of course,
thing.
because the flush to the overall body. So I don't help people with one part of the body, because the body is a whole. And from top to bottom it cleans.
Okay.
Right? There are different system, right? The nervous system.
Yeah. So that's what the flush will do.
It starts clean the entire system.
Okay. So the flush is a one day thing?
So the flush you take it normally we go like at night, you do it during the night because it activates the cells in the body to get clean the different systems. It's from a cellular level that we clean.
Okay.
Right, so it activates the system to flush out. It's not a one-time basis, but we start you before you do a detox, or if you just want to do a flush, understand the whole thing, and then it makes you so pretty, it makes you feel so good, it makes you rest, you know.
That sounds good.
Yeah, man. So,
Tell me when you're ready. I meant to have that food for you, see?
and I miss you like very see you want to seriously when you're coming to do it, you have to do it.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. Alright then, probably, well this week is done, probably not next week, week
yeah,
after.
next week is
Yeah, we'll just cry.
it's a good time. It's a good
Yeah.
time.
But more see you, so I'm going out in a St. Thomas, man, we're going with the place in the finish it.
It can't finish the 60 acres, you know, that can't finish. That's their lifetime.
I see he was building something, right?
Yeah, man, but you don't see that. We did that thing there up there. We just with, like we said,
Pure
the family.
burger.
You see that? That's
Yeah.
true. Yeah, man, share it, keep
I mean,
it,
I
share
like, yo, that's what I did needed right there, so, you know? Should have been a part of that one
The
day.
next time we go up there, you know we want to a uniform one, because you know we're so adult now. We're just all up in this adult energy and this serious energy. But when you were younger, you're going to school and you put on your uniform, a happy time. Not sure especially when great bell ring.
Yes.
So we're planning something like that for us adults. Just drop the adult thing and
Put on with uniform.
put on with uniform and come do a skit and show people say, and
Yeah.
they say they get back to playing marble.
Of course,
and
of
so you
course.
can be a part of
Yeah.
that, alright?
Let me know when is that going to be?
This month, you know, I think
This month?
at the end of the month.
End of the month? Keep
You
me posted.
can't miss out on the one in the kino.
Come on, put on my school uniform.
So you have to ask your grandfather now and your father, what were the games? We know marble,
Yeah.
jacks,
Yeah.
how it goes?
Chinese kid.
Chinese kid. Right, so we have to gather up all of the games.
Yeah. Yeah, man, I'm done for that. And the hopscotch.
Hopscotch. Yeah.
The Raj.
The one that go 1, 2, 3.
Yes. Dandy Shandy. Dandy Shandy.
Yeah, man. So that's how we're so. We're gonna do it.
We're gonna do it every time. So guys, so you just get my Pro Dryzer. It's a green, spirulina, smoothie. You know, what them call the Kino smoothie. So I'm waiting on my black bean burger and I'm out of air, quick and fast. See that green and nice. Plaza, you know, so up here is Lane Plaza. Off Conscience Spring Road, you know. So if you know Lane Plaza, let's check out Living Food. You can also check them out on Instagram, Living Food. Also, we have a contact number as well too, where you can contact the store at Living Foods. So that's it, 876-857-7887. Living Food. Alright, take care, yeah? Yeah. Kerry? Alright. Alright, Will. Thank you. So I got my burgers. I'm out of here, so we're head to Trenchtown. So okay, so here it is, my jerk burger, which is made of black beans, and the bun made of turmeric. So this is turmeric bun, so that's why I see it have that color with my lettuce and everything. So this is my jerk burger, black beans burger. So this one is a bit spicy with the cayenne pepper, you know. So this one's a bit spicy because of the cayenne pepper and them things inside it. So this is a spicy one. So you know the thing go. So that's me. I got my smoothie. So then I'm gonna eat the roll. Head to Trenchtown and get the kids them, and then be on my way to Devon also. Bless and love.
And the pastor talk about that. When the Almighty shall come and bring truth to our soul. Bless you, my boss, every time, yeah? Straight up. Man, I said, yeah? Every time.
I thought I told you that the traffic is coming. I told you that the traffic is coming. And we not reach now yet, the traffic is coming. Oh Lord. Feel tall na this? No, feel tall. more apple ripe on the outside. Okay.
Them up here for auntie.
Too liquor.
Have you not getting a rain and go small? I work with them by night.
That one, huh?
Yeah, one. But it looks just like regular shoes. And there's a cup here on the side of it.
Oh.
Cups are really. A cups are a crack.
Crooks. Go on. Alright guys, so we just reached. So the kids them is ready and waiting. Can you imagine them being calling every time? So Esther walk around the next side and everything. I want thing Esther with this, it have some spring night there. Yeah, let me jump like me a frog. This crooks make me jump like me a frog. Yeah, that crooks are springy. Yeah, this crooks, it have some inches, but this crooks guys, I'm jumping like frog. It's bouncy.
Me not gonna fail.
Oh. Hello. Hello. Evening. Evening, Tara.
What? Today, yada.
Tara, you don't get ice cream.
Hi, Esther.
So them all ready now, guys. Them say them ready. You ready?
Yes.
Tara, you ready?
Yes.
You make a ball for your little ear comb.
Toko? You don't want to ear comb?
But I finally do it.
Toko, you like when I ear comb. Hey, Toko, yo, charge, what are going? Yes, you don't like when I hear. Tara, what about you? You cry?
Yeah, ball too.
Don't want you. Everyone out looking sharp. Toko, you want to go river or you want to go Devon House? Which one?
Devon House.
Toko, you want to go to river or Devon House? Tara, you want to go to the river or Devon House? Devon House. Cranberry River or Devon House?
Devon House.
Look, man, where's the river or Devon House?
Devon House.
Where's the Little Miss River or Devon House?
Devon House. Everybody has said Devon House.
Alright, we know Nana. When Nana goes to Nana River or Devon House?
Devon House. What? Everybody, not change mine.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, because yo, me say river, you know. We're gonna cancel Devon House and we'll go river today. No? Is it Tara now? No. Tara said no. So now already?
Yes.
Toko, we're gonna leave Toko, right? Because Toko's a river. Bye bye, Toko. High five. Later. Is the charge you're going to put in some work?
Yeah, run right back there, some cut out round there.
Run right back?
Yeah.
Where's about me here, Cranberry?
Oh, you here? We say here,
No, not like yours.
yeah, look a bit.
No, sir.
If my hair can like that, me, man.
Well, it don't cane like this.
End up full up, you know, so.
Oh, dump it up.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Finish, I say.
Don't put up and cut round it.
Cut off the heel again. Okay.
Make walk way right round there.
Dig it off, yes. Quite wide there now.
Yeah.
Wide there now. Wide there.
But the walking space, guys, it's the walking.
Wider, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, wide.
Never lock up your say, you know. Right, me never lock your say, you know. So pull it up.
Yeah. Okay.
Lock up your say, you know.
So you're not putting no more in there?
No, I'm not putting more there tonight.
Okay.
Lock it up.
Lock it up. Yeah, man. Good look. Good look. Oh, yeah, and you write this as well to your dump up.
Yeah, my dump up.
Alright. Look at me, something here, you want to fix up.
It want to fix good.
Fix it for you there. What is this? You get beaten the other night and I get beaten.
No.
Get beaten.
She get beaten.
I lie.
Get beaten.
Take long to come.
Yeah, because when me I go
Eat food, come here.
No, other than time.
yeah.
Yeah,
You never beat, we start telling lie,
I'm
mom.
touch up your
Yeah, because when me I go don't
Yeah,
go and see them, yeah.
Can you end up telling me for them same day?
Yeah.
And the chicken is nice.
Chicken should get any.
We make sure I eat 2 pieces because I don't want Cranberry and Nana and Toko. I'm going to look on them. As them reach, them get for them one.
Yeah. Alright, gonna come now.
Bye.
Safe journey.
Mommy, come Tyra.
Come.
You're like Alicia. May I bring back some for you?
Hey, why don't you come? What's up?
Come, Daddy.
You say nah, bring back nothing, Nana.
Me say, may I bring back some for my mother? You see how much watch
World Tara, man.
Everybody
Man to sleep.
Tyra, watch out.
Go
Me
on.
I call Tyra, she
Have a
not.
safe journey.
Alright then, yeah.
Daddy later.
Look how more charging.
I mean, I learn not sleep the crowd.
Crooks me in a toe in a sea. So you say leave her alone and go on where I go.
No, lower. She can jump, you know. You know, forget it. I shoot her now, stop.
I don't know, a bad whole arm.
Look, man. Oh, the water looks so dirty.
Alright, yeah.
The water look a bit get dirty. You see it though?
Yeah. River, come down.
We can take that for the river. Come down.
Kenisha, keep an eye on the river because it get dirty. Yeah?
It look like it a come down.
That come down.
So we have to hurry up and cross.
Come.
Which Tyra?
Hurry up and cross.
Hurry up. Look, man. Look up Tyra. And look like it a come down. So it's dirty. I think you're on there, so you know.
Come, give me. What are you?
I said come down yesterday. I never come down every, you know.
Come, Tara. What Tara?
Or Pango Cross, I see them
Pango
one time.
Cross.
Every. Run, daddy.
No, run, go on.
Run that one.
Esther, go jump here, so come. Yeah, the river come down, guys. So this is how it look when it come down. So guys, this is how it look. So you can see the water get dirty, so the river will come down. So let me go and look. Make Esther make a jump. Come Esther, let's make a jump cross. That's it. Up son, up in the hills. One jump cross. One. Alright. Rain a fall up in the hills up so. Yeah. So look now. So this is the sign. We up so. From I go half a tree to see. So we say. So guys, so this is a look when you see the river come down, you get brown like this. You get brown, so this is the warning sign that the river is gonna come down. You know. So the goat them start to take with themselves. They start to get heavier. The flow start to get heavy. So you know some more water will come down. So we could go from now before so we exit this place quick and fast before it come down anymore. Look. Okay?
Come on.
Yeah. Yeah, look on the fall now. No, the fall gets heavy. Alright, and time reach. So, you keep a posting just in case when I come back, if anything, we'll have to go up at the top. Go up at the top. You switch for the clothes and be up on them side, eh?
Yeah.
I was so bowl of box of steer. Much of them? 6, 4.
6 is 9.
Look now, may I tell you, Daddy, 2 can go back and how much I go down the front. See?
4 got up on the back seat.
Me? Yeah, 2. Tara and me and Jaisha. No, the back. The back.
It's our 2 eats.
Alright, me and Jaisha
And Tara, our boat.
How much that? And 3 the old.
Here's a Tara, our boat.
Look for the up here, it's time. Me and you alone are here. My big son yesterday and eat. Mash up them. Yesterday we never get my tax to
And Tara, our boat, you know. I hate hot. Dash it there, dash it. Throw it away, Tara. Brush off your hand, brush off your hand. Brush off your hand.
Who was that? Don't touch me.
How you drop? Let me see. Instead I put up the wall at the back. Two of them can't get around there.
Karen, I go and stay with him at the back.
Me and Jay Sean Toko.
You want to put that?
Hold on, let me see.
No, make the biggest one then go at the back.
Come on, tell the road.
Come up the road.
The biggest one then.
Come on, to the road.
Yes.
Come. Jerome and Jaisha, come
Hold on,
on.
wait, Tara.
No, two big person come on.
Wait first. Let me see.
You go on.
Not me. Not me.
Who want to go to the back?
Me.
Eh? You want to go to the back? You want to go to the back, Cranberry?
Me want to go to the back.
You want to go to the back?
Me want to go to the back.
And then I have asthma.
Alright, make Toko go on Toko. And
Jaisha, we got to see some.
make Kaisha go on then. So cause you're not going to stay in the middle for watch.
Come, Tyra.
Tara, want to go to the back too? You want to go around there, Tara? Alright, go on.
But now I got the back.
Go on in.
Alright, no more can go around there.
Yeah?
No, not put no more around there. No, right around there?
Yes.
Right around there, Tara?
See there? One more see there,
We
Tara.
don't want no more around there. You okay? Alright, let me go on in.
Go back.
Let's show this way. Anybody alright around there, so?
Yes.
Tara? Tara?
She not answer.
Yes, man.
She smile, she okay?
Yes.
Toko, you okay around there?
Yes.
Little miss?
Yes.
Little man? Nana?
Yes.
Cranberry?
Yes.
Alright. So now ready? Esther, you ready? So guess what? We're gonna drink water today, no ice cream for the first,
Yes.
okay? Just water.
Yes.
No ice
Water
cream.
better.
No ice cream, right? You agree?
Yes, Daddy.
No ice cream.
We don't want ice cream today.
No ice cream, Nana. Only water. Okay?
I agree to this side. What's right? That's all the same.
You know, come down big. Come down big. You have to tell them say me your father. But you not tell them say me your father. So they must ask.
Let's see chip where you go. I have people come on.
Yeah.
All of them that Miss Curry sit down on the bin. Miss Curry say, Kelly, she want me dropping her bin. So you have give me two. Sometimes I say, I'm my father. Hear them. I never know say your father. So your father pretty.
Good answer.
Yeah.
The way I look over there.
And I just walk. If you never walk yourself, you never get. You go away from coach.
So, Cranberry, how was the KFC? Look, man. So I'm going to make a thank Kiwanis. So I want to thank the Kiwanis for your KFC. So thank you, Kiwanis.
Thank you, Kiwani.
Kiwanis.
Kiwani.
Cranberry, come here. Where you hiding?
Thank you, Kiwan.
Kiwani.
For the KFC.
For the KFC.
Nobody does it better. KFC. Nobody does it better.
Nobody does it better.
So right now we're gonna get ice cream, and it's from Dawn. Okay. So let me get thank Dawn for the ice cream. Okay. So
Thank you, Dawn, for ice cream.
Okay. So this is the ice cream treat for the kids from Dawn, from the USA.
So what is the slogan for Devon House, you know?
Eh?
Yes, slogan
The
for
Devon.
Devon House.
Oh, the slogan for Devon House, I'm not so sure yet. You know, but it will come. Right?
Say playground what more?
The playground open? It's
Yeah.
open, not open.
Open.
Yes. Say it
Go on,
again.
go
Say,
over there,
say, say playground open.
The playground open.
Yeah, no matter about no open.
Sorry.
No open.
The playground open.
I don't know. What kind of singing I go on? When you sing a devotion, when you singing devotion, when you singing devotion,
Yeah, I promise.
um,
God not die.
alright, so sing the one where everyone knows.
You remember what me say? You know I'm a friend.
Sing it, Nana. Which one?
God not die.
Which one? No, sing it.
Die. Is alive. God is not over. Yeah, that means
God is not died. Not died.
Dead.
dead.
Not dead, but
He's alive.
God is not dead.
not dead.
He's alive and still
all over me.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
then she said, in school.
Come now. Wait there.
He's alive in the school. Remember that? Me say yes.
Cranberry. Sing where them a sing. You don't know that song, Cranberry?
God is not dead, but he's alive. God not died. I feel it all over me. I shall look up. Whenever I shall look up. I shall look up.
You know, say, you don't get no ice cream because you cannot sing the song.
So like sing when I can't tell song them. Yeah, sing it. No, we're going with your foot this song.
Busy man, cause
Nobody.
I told them foot.
because every day you sing this in devotion in school, right?
I know I can't sing it.
Sometimes them change.
Which one everyone know in devotion? Which one do you know? Father Abraham, you know that one?
No?
Yes, we know that one.
I do.
And I am one of them, and so are you. You don't know it?
So let's start.
Praise the Lord.
Hallelujah.
We sang it now, you?
Cranberry, we singing. No, sir. Which one you don't know?
No.
Hmm?
And I will be our teacher and I could sing that.
And I don't ask me not to when I get that song.
We sang again.
Nana.
Mm-hmm.
I mean in a red house. Which house you go on, Daddy? Red house?
We want a song from when we sing in devotion.
Do you sing that already?
It's not dies. God is not dead, but He's alive.
God not dead, but
He's country far away. Yes, I hear you.
country far away.
Yes, I hear you. Country far away. Country far away. Far away. There's a king on the cross and in the country far away. There's a king on the cross and in the country far away. There's a hill.
Oh no, nah get no ice cream today. Oh no, nah get no ice cream today. Oh no, nah get no ice cream cause I nah sing the song. Oh no, nah get no ice cream today. Hey, hey. Oh no, nah get no ice cream. Yeah. A little man, he might try him little best. Cranberry, me no know where she a test. Cranberry can't sing and she not go sing the song. So Cranberry nah get no ice cream today.
Yeah.
She a go drink water and go to bed. She a go drink water and go to bed. She a go drink water. And then Cranberry a go to her bed. Nah, sing a song here.
See them have chocolate ice cream, daddy?
You not get no ice cream, so you can get chocolate water. Yeah, go and vex.
I will come out and carry and done.
Then I'm
Yeah, open the door for you. You ready?
No.
Yeah.
Where's the last?
You just get a taxi to Mama River.
And then don't know my mother.
One taxi to
you
Mama
know
River.
you're here. Once you reach Mama River, just come out and you want to go.
We're going to sing a song. I will just say, Mommy, Kimo, let me have and some forgot me.
You're alone. I must something. For you alone, she said, I must something you do.
Have you I said, that, Mommy, Kimo said, nah, about ice cream and 10 more.
A chicken or chicken?
Not chicken, no. Not anymore. Not anymore.
You listen to my song.
Yeah, go take a Kimo and run away.
You don't know?
Pepper nice and listen to a song.
Me I go take a Kimo car and then make Kimo go
Foreign.
and then I go cut Kimo neck
My mind head and the roof.
A tofu.
and then I go cut Kimo neck, so put Kimo in my mouth.
Alright, Nana. And you first we have put out the car.
May I go take your way?
Put it down if you want.
I look at me right too fast.
Burn up.
Put on the car.
I got to come.
Take it off and put them right here. Two shirts. Hurry up, put them right here. No, the shirts are right here. See, let me take out my put them here. Put my phone. Move it. What's that?
Go on.
They're right. They're right. Mango. Mango, daddy. See them there?
Tako, all little man and
Look at me, get better. He said a lot of times.
Oh, go on, to the quiet.
yeah, because it's rain. And last time I could the school have an event here. They said what was smoking today.
Oh,
He must have not there. People like you.
I wanna alone there here.
We can't take the yard for themselves.
Yes.
Alright.
Daddy. They say no, it's fine. You have the red one.
Yeah. That's not going to live in our memories.
Ice cream shop close?
No.
It's closed.
No.
What's that, sir?
Me. I mean, say, I am say tools.
Esther, go look what I'm going on.
Esther.
At least it's a bit quiet today. It's not that hot.
Kino,
Hello.
I know you.
You know me.
Nice to meet you. Listen, I need a picture.
No
Sorry,
problem.
guys.
Hello.
Esther. You know I watch y'all, right?
Yeah. Thank you so much. What's this? What's going on with this t-shirt? What's going
Okay,
on?
so we're celebrating our 40th high school graduation.
Oh.
40th year after graduation.
Okay.
I'm with the great Kino. Kino Live Jamaica. Nice to meet you.
All right, same,
You know
man.
my grandson have your name.
Is it?
His right name is Kino.
Kino?
Yes.
You name him Kino?
Yeah.
Okay. Half of me?
I don't know
Oh.
if it was after you or I don't know.
How old is he?
He's
Half of me.
after.
Yeah.
Yes, you got Esther too. Good,
Yeah.
good.
Yeah, that's a good name.
Yes, yes.
Good
yes.
name.
I know you're a good guy.
Thank you.
I
Thank
would have
you.
never watched you if he wasn't a good guy.
Thank you so
Nice to
much.
meet you.
Yeah, all right.
Bye.
Yeah.
Instant picture man here.
We have instant camera here, so you know. Instant video, me have. You have instant picture, I got instant video. Like an event I go on run here later. Set up stage.
Don't get away. Stop with the anti-gun.
Alright guys, so apparently are we alone there here? At least it's not that busy like the last time, but I guess it's rain.
It was a school trip, like it was a school trip.
Yeah.
It's a lot of kids. But you are rainy time now, there.
Yeah. So I guarantee them can get them ice cream quick and fast. Yeah, themselves. Before the rain. Before the rain reach. Yeah. Well, so them have more play space for kids around here.
Remember them have a playpen in them, but it closed.
Close.
Yeah.
Almost like the park with the on the side. Come.
Come because Tyra me ever get love. Fashion.
Entrance. So this is the big park.
I see him doing my last door.
At least you have a space for yourself so you can go and run up and down.
Ice cream.
So breeze off first. Because when the ice cream done, when you head in home, so you eat ice cream last. So you can look somewhere for run up and down. Run. And me.
can't say it when you go pull them.
Me not pull them.
So when you want to hold them?
No, me tell you some punch.
Alright guys, so make them go and run up and down first before we give them any ice cream. You know, let them stay. Go and play first. Because you have a playpen where the kids them can play, but I guess that's lock off. You know, that lock off. So them go and play before we give them ice cream, you know? Before. Yeah. So Esther them follow them to the bathroom. But yes man, so you know it's been raining as well too. You know, it's been raining, so we don't really have much crowd up here as well. But not literally here, but it's been raining around. But you know, tomorrow it's gonna be a bit busy. You know, tomorrow will be a bit busy. And you can hear some music up play over the next side where them have the house, the White House itself, you know, where them say the first black man, the first millionaire black man was living, you know. Devon House. Imagine the first black man won $1 million. First. As you can see, look at the park, it's richly quiet. You know, the grass is a bit brown because, you know, not many rain been falling since recently. You know. But the place kind of overcast now. You know, so who have any memories of being to Devon House, you know, long ago or the other day, or from them a child, the last time them been to this place, you know. But I think Devon House, you know, since it attracts so many kids because of ice cream, I think it needs some more activities for the kids them. Because you have this big park as well too. The park is so big, but I think it needs more activities because kids always come here, you know, and I think whoever the owner of this, that they literally need to go on the drawing board to get some more activities to put in these places for the kids them. Because when I come here, there's not much activity. You have one small, very small playpen, you know, which is they can't have like a 10 or an 11-year-old really in there. So it's most like a little 4-year-old, 5-year-old, and 6-year-old they can put in there. But you know, for the 8, 9, and 10, you know, you need some activities around here. You know, I think this place needs more activities for kids. It's more like a chill out spot. You know, it's more like you buy your ice cream and you just come and sit down and call it a day. It's not supposed to be like that. You know, it's supposed to be like a little activity around the park where you can, you know. It needs more of that. You know, because you know, come here, you just sit down, eat the ice cream and you just like that. Just get ready to go yard. But you need to look a bit more of activity around here, I guess. You know? That's my tick for thought, you know. That's only my opinion. That's only my opinion still, but I don't know. You let me know what you think, but that's what I think. You know, you should let me running a little activities more for the kids. You know, it's nice, but you need more activity. You know, as you can see when I was walking in the video, there's not much activity. It's more like place for you to go and buy something to eat. You know, but not much activity. They're playing hide and seek. Look come and look for them and look where they at. Them over there, so. Them over there and look man is looking for them. Look at man. Look at them over there. Oh, so him say Nana over there, so. Over there, so Nana there. Alright, come, we'll get ice cream now, come.
Give up. I want journey. Forgot the saying. One journey.
Where's Tara shoes?
So that's it, right?
Tara, go put on your shoes.
You can try
You know,
from
we're going to buy for me too. Esther. Them tell me to buy a ring ring.
Yeah, bring one.
Put on Tara shoes on her foot.
Wow.
When the day night here, you say Esther, why are you going to think that my
That one blue ice cream you can have it. I will bring one
You
more.
don't want to taste nobody ice cream. Because the last time I tasted it tastes bitter.
I bring some mango. I want to see that.
You
know, Kima.
The last time I tasted
No. You can't.
Look at this.
They can get mango if you ask them, though, Daddy.
Wow.
Came on my last time I tasted ice cream.
You Daddy?
I had the instant picture, me had the instant video.
That's a two sipping. Evelyn.
Oh,
Bless up, brother.
big up.
When you touch Kenya?
Kenya?
Yeah, you know go what?
I don't know when.
Yes, man.
When the time right.
Tanzania, my place, you know.
Yeah?
Yes.
When the time right.
Yeah, man.
I shall visit.
Yeah, man. Yes,
I
man.
definitely shall visit.
Yeah,
You know?
man. Real. You're good, man. You have to touch over there, man.
Yeah.
As we dig up Africa so much, we have to touch over there.
Yes, true. That's true.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Definitely touch you in the
Yes,
future.
man. Keep up with your eyes still, you know?
Yeah, man. Respect,
Yeah,
man.
man. Watch out, man. Yeah, man.
So them kids that don't bring come get some ice cream, you
Bless,
know?
man. Impressed.
Alright, yeah.
Anything Kingdom want to something for your people, you know.
Yes, man. It's
We
already.
know how to reach you.
Enough to reach me. Just reach me.
Alright.
Reach me. 40 years and still connected, right? That's good.
And this is a small bunch of us.
Yeah? There's more than
Like
this.
35.
Which school is this?
It was Spanish Town Secondary. Now it's Spanish Town High.
Okay. Secondary, keep up, man.
I'm really all over the world, you know, Jamaica.
Oh, you do? Yeah, we just met with him. We just met. Oh, okay.
Oh, nice.
And you're a teacher too,
It's a
right?
person from start.
Yes, she's doing stats too. Faye. Come here, Faye here.
Okay, used to go stats.
Stats you used to go? No, Michael. No.
Oh, dental. Okay. Greatness, you know. Hopefully, by the time I reach full age, I can try to see him. Right?
Just keep it with your friends.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
man.
Bless me, brother.
Keep it with your
Nice
friends.
to
Then
see you,
you'll
you
be
know.
I will try. I will try.
Bueno.
Alright, then take care. Yeah,
Yeah, man.
Then we'll for the ice cream now.
Alright, then.
Alright. Rasta man.
Bless up.
Bless up. More side. Keep the link, you know? Yes.
Hey, you want to see those?
Kilo Esther. Annette, look.
Annette. Big go.
You know what you Cranberry. It's Cranberry.
Yeah. Cranberry.
That's Cranberry right there. Good job, man. You're doing, man.
Yeah, man. We give thanks, man. We give thanks.
Good job. Even last night I was looking at you.
Oh, last night.
Cranberry. Look at
Tara.
that. Look at all of them. Yeah.
All of them here.
That's Coco.
Toko. Swimmer.
Yeah.
The world. We bring them to come get little ice cream, you know? We get some ice cream. You want a photo? Alright then, yeah, so I'm gonna order some ice cream for them.
Keep on doing.
Yeah, man, definitely. Alright.
Alright, darling.
Empty. Yes, I said I see my shadow, but I realize my shadow is not there. So alright, so Oh, and the cones them, so much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cones. 6 cones. And I'm going to go. I don't want ice cream. Ice cream. How are these doing here, sir? What the? Which ice cream is it? Oh. Everyone one, yeah? Yeah.
This is bun and cheese.
Bun and cheese too.
You don't have curry bun ice cream? Stick to the eat.
Me get one country munch. Me get one.
Yeah, more crunchy munch.
Me go wash out after. Give me water. Put 3 water on it.
3 water?
Yeah. Yeah. Country munch is different. You see? Look richer.
Yeah, top. That's what it's
Yeah.
That's what it's on.
That's what it's Up Mama River, Garden Town side.
Oh.
Yeah. Huh? Yes, sir? No, we live in the same house. Oh, yeah. Tell them what you want. When you pass them, the drive come down. They want to go up.
What am I to drive or walk?
Wow, they want to go up, so when you drive come down.
You're welcome. And only somebody said time.
Bring the water.
Which doesn't make sense to me because they don't take up colleges. Instant pepper.
This is the playpen that I'm telling you about. It's always closed. So I know if it's on a maintenance or something, but it's always closed. See here, so look. This is the only spot I see them have. And look how small this is. So you need a bigger playpen, you know, and it's always close as well too.
What is it clean?
Box it up.
There's so much. White ice cream.
Here, give us a study. Eat what it is. No.
Oh, yeah, I will melt so fast.
Here.
Hey.
Alright guys, so you know they'll head out now, you know, because they finish up them ice cream and everything, so you know it's a time for them head out. Huh? Kino Life in Jamaica and YouTube. Yeah, subscribe. Don't tell me another data too, you know.
I'm phone the tree. She look up it and subscribe.
Oh.
I phone it. No, I can tell you as no,
Yeah,
dead.
oh, dead. So you press it and it dead.
No, man, I phone the tree person.
The tree man became
dead,
make
yes.
subscribe and care.
Sure.
Mr. You want to find it YouTube.
Yeah, user.
Hi, mama. Hi, how you do? You get the ice cream already?
Yeah.
How was it?
Nice.
You sure which one you got?
You
don't remember?
Yeah,
Which
fine.
one is this one?
Chocolate one.
That's not the chocolate one.
A cookie and cream she get.
I still match at white.
What's your
Get
name?
a high five,
Kadisha.
please.
How old are
So
you?
she's blushing.
Get a high five.
11? What you want to be in the future?
Police.
Why?
Lock up the criminal
See a
there.
folks.
Why you want me police?
Yeah, wow, like how many people that went?
We are the wrongs, right?
Yeah.
Good girls.
Say what better your country?
We have more of them, you know. Nah. Here, so we have more for adapt, you know. We have more here.
Just got no, too much of them.
Too much. More is here. So, this is Toko. She's an international swimmer. That's Nana there, bad swimmer. They live near the river.
Oh, the mommy river over here.
Yeah, that's where they live. So you have Liquor Man,
What is your
Liquor.
name? You want, yeah, come on with me?
Why?
I want me to do that.
And you say so you have Nana there.
Nana and him.
She at a Liquor
So which school
Man.
then go?
Grove. Yeah.
Where is it?
Up by Garden Town Road.
All of them
She
go
and
the
him
same
are
school?
twin.
Eh?
So now if we go take the pair, them are twin.
Take the one there. Take it with them.
No, we got one that look like he's sneaky.
So Liquor Man.
Yeah, man, look like he's sneaky. That's nice. So what motivates you to do this?
Well, something always in my heart. You want to interview with me?
I'm not prepared. I'm not prepared.
Not prepared.
No.
So next
The
time.
brain tired.
Yeah. Next time we can do that.
Yeah, sure.
So let me see how go on for you. I was good. Where's that?
What you said?
What you said? So what you said you work?
No, I'm the owner.
Oh, you're the owner. Okay. So you're supposed to come have ice cream today.
Yeah, my friend and I, we just did an exam, so we decided to come have ice cream and free with mine.
Okay, that's good. With ice cream and feed of mine with.
Yeah, man.
Mm.
End up a next stressing week, so.
I'll be there. And you look good than that.
Yeah, I look good, man.
Hey, guy, what me doing? I'm a turn sideways, so.
Now, make you see what I go on, so now I look good. Watch what I go on. You see? What make you look?
Oh, watch Jody. Jody look
Jody,
good,
see
no?
what I go on, Jody?
You couldn't tell me a little earlier.
No, but you don't make any mistakes till everything was looking well, guys. You see? Everything will look well. You know, so you can go check out our place. Tell them where your place is in Oach, you know.
Please.
So tell them about your
house view. No man, you can check it out. Fast food. We only do finger food.
fast food.
Finger food.
But me a pescatarian, so that work.
Yeah, we do vegetarian stuff on the
Bring them home in a bed.
Yeah, man.
We're in
I
Ochi.
just it.
We're in Ochi.
And the bypass.
Yeah, we're gonna go. Sit on this.
Yeah, man. Alright, yeah, man.
And the bypass?
Ochi,
Which bypass?
You just type it in on Google and you will see the
You'll find it.
location, yeah, man.
But me wanna know which bypass that.
You don't know Ochi bypass?
That Ochi. Yeah.
Yeah, man, so just call no matter in a video, just call me, man, and I'm make you direct. Bye. You look for a new mother. Yeah, you
No, she not look a new one.
You see you.
I told her
She want to go friend with her?
Yes.
Yes?
say you want to turn police over there?
Yeah. Can I help my mother and take care of my mother and cook for her.
Yeah, you're adapting mother. Remember you have to take care of she.
She attack.
And I can cook.
You can cook?
Yeah.
What you can cook?
I'm tell you, rice and peas.
You can cook rice and peas?
Yeah.
Water.
Wash rice.
You better than Jody, she don't know how to cook.
And for the gungo peas, you have to soak it. And then you make it cook.
Oh.
And then you put it in the rice.
Yeah.
And then you fry up the, if you chop up the cheese, the meat, wash it off first.
Where you wash it with?
Water.
And vinegar, you don't use vinegar?
Yeah.
And oil.
And then when vinegar go pan it, then you wash it off.
In the summer, I will sponsor to do their hair in the summer.
That's
and
nice.
then you make the oil hot.
In the summer?
And when the oil
That's
hot,
nice.
you
Yeah, man, my
fry.
hairstyle is like that.
Okay.
If I fry chicken after it. If a chicken, you can put when you have like pan it flour. Like fry.
You can cook my chef. I'm
She
going
know,
to test your one.
she know her thing. She know her
Come
thing.
see when you have boiled porridge, you can show the video. Watch it while
Alright.
Yeah, I'm she boil porridge, sir.
I say one, so I say you should have bring him plate.
No kids is
And yesterday I make
So you
some
not have
porridge.
any?
You say cranberry, oh you make plate. You have to play the man.
Tara, no.
No. Dirty.
Tara, eat on the table.
We can't take.
Good guys, so anyways that time, you know, so I'm gonna take them home, you know.
But you're too short like
Nah. Oh, yes, nah. Yes, so it's that time. All them ice cream, run up and down and do everything they want to do. You know where it goes already. So we give thanks to Dan. You know, thank you so much, Dan, for blessing them for the ice cream treat. You know, blessing to our subscribers that will make us well to while I was here. You know, so blessed love to all. Blessed love to all. Anything already dream. Are you ready?
No.
Jesus Christ.
I'm even push your mask.
Are you ready yet?
No. And them say
You
you
want to
want
go back now, garden?
Yeah, man, we'll drop them off. So you mean not ready yet? I want to bring in the bed? Want to bring in the bed?
Yeah.
Then I sleep here?
Yeah.
Alright then.
I want some mango tonight.
I like your crooks, we can't get it.
I'm a mother, I love me again. A child?
Hear that?
Yeah.
What this man? Hey, mother alone, yeah, give it away. You find mother quick.
Boy, God, God bless you, yeah.
God bless you too, because you got to do great things, right? So, see there, she's live and direct.
Did you see that video?
Yeah, like after I said a tape. Yeah, but anyway, everything is positive on my channel, you know, nothing negative.
So let me hold. They must see your face.
Always, I have to always turn to myself, look, always. Remember, I have to make sure I be stand up. I'm sure I don't stand up. Come stand up, stand up. Alright, guys. So now we're gonna welcome our new extended family to the program. So looking forward to hear them name more. Sky
And Jody.
and Jody. So looking forward, you know. So them say great things ahead. Right. Them say nothing about great things ahead, right?
Right.
See, I'm asking people
With God's will.
I joke me, I mean. Alright, that is.
Alright,
Yeah. Esther, come. Kids,
Bye, kids.
come. I have to go home. Tell them bye. We no want go. Listen, no come. We no go have to go home. Oh. Listen, it's time to go home. I leave them. All right. You know what? Bye bye. Yeah. Bye bye, Tara.
Nana, come here. Bye.
It's Nana there.
Oh, what's your name?
It's a Tara.
Tara. Bye, baby.
A big swimmer too, you know. I said them time. Toko, come. Let me know want to go home. Yeah, that want to go on.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.